Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today in this video I will be showing you how we can create carousels, the two type of interaction, that is the manual and automatic scroll. So let's get started. First of all, what are carousels? So for example, like in some website you will see that these type of arrows are there, or some places you will not find these type of arrows, maybe it will be automatically scrolling, right? So yeah, that is like image one after the other, it scrolls, right? So that is basically carousels. Okay. And also, let me tell you what is manual scroll and automatic scroll. So, manual scroll is the one where the user clicks on some button, okay, then it scrolls, okay. So, it doesn't scroll one by one on its own automatically, I mean, okay. So, in the automatic, what happens is like one by one, the sliders, the images scrolls on its own, okay. So, that's all about manual and automatic scroll. So I'll move to my design. Here I have created this design. So let me tell you the idea of what I want here actually is like I have added the heading and the subheading and also a call to action here. Call to actions are basically buttons, okay? The main buttons where users click and perform some action. So basically these are call to actions. And okay, so here what I want is you can see that I have added two arrows here, right? So what I want is when the user clicks on these arrows, so this image is going to slide in. Okay, I mean slide in and out. So for now, I have just placed one image. Let me create a frame around this image. Okay, so this I'll take it out, add a fill, and then I'll take this also out, the image. Okay. Then what I'll do is I'll just duplicate it and done. And then I'll just add some random images, the food images. I'm using the pixel plugin here. Just dishes maybe. I'll type in. Just click on it and it will be added to the frame. Done. Now I'm going to select all of it, okay, and then convert it to a single frame by using the shortcut Control plus Alt plus G, okay. Or one more technique is just right click and then you click on the frame selection. That's it. Here also beside this you'll find the shortcut here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll reduce the size of the frame here. Okay, and then I'll move it inside. Here, I'll just clip this maybe first of all. Yeah, Done. Okay. So now we have the images inside the frame. Now I'm going to place it here. Yeah, that's it. So now what we are going to do here is, let me add some, some circles that would show that how many slides we have here. Okay. We'll make the corners rounded. And the frame, I tried to turn it to a circle. It will look like a circle, okay? Okay, so this, I'm going to make it as like this, okay? That's it. And then here I'll make it like a circle. What basically I'm doing is, when the first one will be active, then this will be there, and then accordingly it will be showing like that, okay? I'll scale it little bit uh, to a little bit bigger size, okay? Yeah, and also the color of this is going to be a little bit lighter. That's it. I'm going to, add auto layout to this. You'll know after some time why I'm adding this. Okay, that's it. Maybe, align to the center with the image. I'll align it to the center of the image here. Okay, done. So now, just, you need to, okay, one more thing. I want this arrow to be disabled, okay, first of all. So what I'll do is I'll just make the background white here, okay, and this also a little bit light, okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to do here. First of all, just click on this one, create component. Done. Now to add a variant here, you need to click, okay. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is just change the image here like this. And how you're going to do is, basically you are not going to click and drag. You're just going to click on, hold on shift and then use the left and right arrow. Okay. For now, I'm using the left arrow. Shift plus left arrow. Okay. That's it. And also this is going to be changing like this one. Okay. Now in the animation, when I'll be applying the animations and everything now, then you will get to know, like, this is going to also look smoother just because I have added an auto layout here. Okay. Okay, so we are going to make this button as enabled now. Okay, simply just paste to replace and then shift plus H. Okay, done. Now one more variant I want. Now same thing repeatedly we are going to do. Okay, until we reach the last image. Done. Also to also so that all the frames get selected, what I'm doing is, need to that we have added this image frame to another frame, right? You're going to click on this one and then this one, double click on it and then click on the enter. Okay, then it will select all the images. Okay, one thing I think I have missed. Yeah, here one more it will be coming actually because, okay, one more circle I need to add here. Just nothing we need to do. You need to just add one more circle to this one. Other things will be remaining same. Just, select this and then click on the horizontal centers. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, sure, done. Okay, so the last variant, done. Double click and then enter, shift and left arrow key. Done. And also one thing we are going to do, this disabled arrow, I'll bring it here. And also shift plus H. Done. Okay. So now let's animate it. We are going to connect from one slide to the other, and then the interaction is going to be and then this one is going to be smart animate, and then this is going to be, I'm going to add a gentle animation here. That's it. Maybe 1000 millisecond will be good. Same animation I'm going to add here as well. Okay, same thing. See, it automatically it's adding the animation which I have added for the previous one. Right? So just I'm going to connect it. Okay, I'm sorry. One thing I missed actually. Here, the click will not be happening. Here, I was about to, make the after delay animation. No worries. We are going to click on this one and then going to connect to this. Okay. Same thing. This arrow to this. Once the user clicks on this one and then it will change to this. Okay. Then this is disabled, right? So yeah, no interaction is going to be here. We are going to add interaction again back to this slide, to this variant. Okay, done. Now let's check. I'm going to take the MacBook Air and then going to take this and then place it inside the frame. Done. Now let's check our animation here. Okay, So yeah, this is all about the manual scroll. Okay, the manual scroll carousel I have created. I have showed you how to create this one. Okay, I think I missed a connection here. Um, yeah, good. Okay, okay. So we are done with the manual scroll. Now we are going to do the automatic scroll. Okay. What I am going to do is like let the click one be there. Let the click interaction also will be there. What I'm going to do is, for the automatic scroll, you are going to click the frame, connect it to the other frame, other variant, and then the interaction, the trigger is not going to be on click, it is going to be after delay. In the last, you'll find it. Same thing, just check the timing and everything here. It looks good for me. And then here, same thing, after delay. Okay, done. Again, the last slide, what we are going to do is we are going to connect to the first one. Okay, then the trigger is going to be after delay. Done. Now let's check it again. Yeah, so it's scrolling automatically. And do you see this thing? It's so smoothly, it's moving one by one, right? So that was the reason why I added auto layout. So that here also I can give a smooth transition effect. So that's it for both the automatic and manual scroll carousels. Um, I hope you liked it. Let me know if you find any difficulties, uh, in the animation part, in creating the component part. Just let me know in the comments below. And also let me know if you liked the video. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.